Hey everyone, welcome back to Terra Mater Gardens. On today's episode of Edible Weeds, we're featuring a tiny invader with a surprising secret, chickweed. This little springtime bloomer might be taking over your flower beds, but don't reach for the weed killer just yet. Chickweed boasts a charming nickname, starwort. Thanks to its delicate white flowers with star-shaped petals, this little chick has been a global citizen for centuries, following humans across continents and popping up in historical records from Europe to Asia. So how did this charming wildflower become a garden nuisance? Chickweed thrives in cool, damp conditions and loves disturbed soil, making it a common sight in early spring gardens. Its rapid growth and prolific seed production make it a fierce competitor for resources, especially for delicate seedlings. But for the forager, chickweed is readily available spring bounty. You'll find it carpeting shaded areas in gardens, parks, and even moist wastelands. Look for low-growing plants with delicate stems and small star-shaped white flowers. Before you harvest your chickweed, there's one crucial tip. Identify correctly. Look for the star-shaped flowers and the tiny hairs running along the stems. Avoid harvesting from areas treated with herbicides or pesticides. Once you've identified your chickweed, it's time to get creative. Chickweed is a mild-flavored green with a surprising versatility. Young leaves and flowers can be enjoyed raw in salads, adding a delicate and slightly sweet flavor. Sauteed chickweed makes a fantastic substitute for spinach or baby greens, and the tender stems can be chopped and used in omelets for a delightful texture. The key to enjoying chickweed lies in its delicate nature. Older leaves and stems can be tough, so focus on the younger, more tender foliage. A quick blanch can remove any bitterness, leaving behind a pleasant, slightly sweet and grassy flavor. But chickweed isn't just tasty, it's packed with a surprising amount of nutrition. This little green powerhouse is a good source of vitamins A and C, along with essential minerals like iron and calcium. Some historical uses even suggest chickweed may have anti-inflammatory properties. Chickweed's benefits extend beyond the culinary world. Crushed leaves have been used historically for medicinal purposes, and some studies suggest it may even help with soothing skin irritation and promoting wound healing. The dry leaves can also be brewed into a tea for its potential digestive benefits. Chickweed's historical significance goes beyond its use as a food and medicine. Folklore from various cultures around the world associates chickweed with fertility and new beginnings. In some European traditions, chickweed was used in spring cleaning rituals to symbolize renewal and fresh starts. So the next time you see chickweed blanketing your garden beds, don't see it as a pest. This little springtime bloomer offers a delicious and nutritious addition to your diet, a wealth of potential health benefits, and a charming connection to cultures around the world. If you enjoyed learning about chickweed, be sure to subscribe for more episodes of Edible Weeds. We'll be uncovering the secrets of other underappreciated forage greens, so stay tuned for exciting discoveries in the wild world of edible plants. Happy foraging!